Hi, this is Frank and Teskey aboard our 2019 Scout 275 Dorado. This boat is located at Bricktown, New Jersey at MarineMax. First thing I want to show you guys is the twin Mercury 200 outboards. Mercury has updated their motors for this year. Give you quick access to oil, check oil, and a convenient one handle for your cowling. Coming into the cockpit, this is what makes the boat. You have fold-out seating all the way around if you have a big crew with you, or if just a couple people are fishing or crabbing. Stow everything away nice and easily. Makes the cockpit space a lot larger. Moving forward, you have a large storage area for life jackets. On the starboard side, you have a sink with pull-out tackle drawers. Moving forward, you'll notice the huge hardtop on board, covering all the way across the beam. Inside the hardtop, you have JL audio speakers, nice LED lighting, and some grab rails. At the helm, you have a stainless steel wheel with rubber grips in the back, Garmin touchscreen, Fusion stereo system, halo switching, and your digital throttles. You have a little more access with tackle storage in the helm area here. Moving to the port side, you have a large head with nice countertop and sink. Moving into the bow, you have two nice forward-facing loungers with armrests. And then a very nice feature is the windlass, all enclosed with a forward-facing ladder. For more information on this boat or any boat that we offer, please visit us at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey, or on MarineMax.com. Thank you.